Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Thank you for your support. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, to give a thumbs up to this video and leave your comments below. So today we'll be exploring another one of our Jamaican proverbs, and the one we'll be looking at today is Nyam with the devil, but give him a long spoon. Nyam with the devil, but give him a long spoon. And translated it means to eat with the devil, but give him a long spoon. So at first glance, this proverb may sound whimsical, It's like a piece of advice that you will get from your grandmother or granny, as we Jamaicans would say. But beneath the surface, there's a lot of wisdom, and it encourages us to engage with the world, to face adversity, and confront challenges head on. So we're going to unpack the layers of meaning into this proverb, exploring the context, its metaphorical significance, and the lessons that it imparts. The proverb "Nyam with the devil, but give him a long spoon" reflects the Jamaican penchant for using humor and metaphor to convey profound insight. The choice of Nyam with the devil is suggesting a willingness to confront these challenges directly, acknowledging that life's journey is not always smooth, and facing challenges head-on is a necessary part of the human experience. There will be a lot of bumps in the road on the journey of life, but how you navigate them is very important. It is also showing us how to deal with certain unscrupulous persons, which you might have to do at some point in your life. Adding the phrase, "but give him a long spoon," is introducing a clever twist. It's emphasizing the caution and strategic thinking that you need in order to be able to deal with these situations. It suggests that when engaging with challenges or difficult people, you have to maintain a certain level of distance and exercise judgment. The long spoon becomes a symbolic tool for keeping a safe distance from potential harm, highlighting the importance of approaching difficulties with wisdom and caution. The act of nyamming with the devil suggests an acknowledgement of the certainty of challenges, setbacks, and difficult moments in life. They are inevitable. You will face them at some point or the other. But instead of evading or dreading these challenges or individual, the proverb advocates for a mindset of tenacity and bravery. It also is setting you up for a readiness to confront difficulties and difficult persons rather than withdrawing from them. The long spoon in this context also serves as a symbolic extension of one's discernment and strategic thinking. It is expressing the idea that while engaging with challenges, individuals should maintain a level of detachment and not succumb to the negative influence that a challenging situation or person may bring. We have to face challenging situations and we have to deal with difficult people, but it is important how we do it. It is reminding us that we are confronting challenges doesn't entail wholeheartedly embracing them. Instead, it entails navigating them with thorough understanding of their potential ramifications and outcome. So the symbol of the long spoon is also suggesting that as individuals, we have the ability to make intentional choices in the face of adversity. It advocates taking a proactive approach to challenges, highlighting the importance of making thoughtful decisions and engaging in strategic planning. Just as one wouldn't approach a potentially harmful situation or devilish person without precautions or being ready, the long spoon causes individuals to approach life's challenges with a sense of agency and foresight. It is also a reminder that even in the face of difficulties, we have to maintain a sense of humor, and it can be a very powerful coping mechanism. A sense of humor is very important when dealing with the devil. The pace of life can be so intense and challenges are very diverse, but this proverb becomes a source of encouragement. It is reminding us that while dealing with challenges or difficult individuals, those are inevitable, as I said. But they can be managed with a mix of toughness and good judgment. Embracing the spirit of nyamming with the devil while wielding a long spoon becomes a metaphorical encouragement to deal with life's challenges with bravery and smart thinking. Nyam with the devil but give him a long spoon is a light-hearted yet powerful message that encourages individuals to bravely tackle life's challenges with thoughtful and clever approaches. As we navigate the complexities of our own journeys, may we all find inspiration in this gem while wielding our metaphorical long spoons with courage and wisdom. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give a thumbs up, and please share your comments below. And please also share this video with your friends, your family, with everyone you know. And as always, walk good.